Alright, welcome back to Get Out the House, Go Fish. Once again, about to get out on the water. It's going to be a lovely day. Should be about 80 degrees today. And I'm by myself today, so we're going to get out there, see what we can catch. Alright, let's get unloaded and get out there. As you can see, it tides at high tide, and that water is right here. Before we would drag it all the way down there to get to the water bird. When it's high tide, that water comes all the way to right here. So anyway, I just want to show you that. Got some boaters right there, and that guy on the front of the bow there, he's doing some fly fishing. That's one thing I'd like to try this year, do some fly fishing. Well, Katie got me this new combo for my birthday. It's the Black Max bait casting reel by Abu Garcia. It's matched up with a cherry wood HD rod. It's a Berkeley. So it's a 7-foot medium casting trilene 8 to 17 pound, and that's what I have on some trilene. I have like some 12 pound on there. You know, I kept just getting frustrated because I'd have the braided line on, and then I'd do an FG knot with some fluorocarbon or something. But you know, I don't know if it just kept catching on the last eye there, and kept giving me bird's nest. But I was like, I'm just going to put just some regular line on there all the way through and see, you know, if it's any better. And so far, no bird's nest. Kind of like in the feel of this Black Max. I do like the other one I have, the NT Sport. I do like that one too. But this Black Max, I mean, I'm trying to catch something on it today. But yeah, my girl got me that for my birthday. So thank you, Katie. She's on call today. She couldn't come out on the water today, so I was a little sad about that. You know, she got called off saying, you know, hey, you know, you can stay home, but if we need you, you know, we can call you, and you have to come in. So that's kind of good thing you get to stay home, but the bad thing is they can just call you. So she's like, I can't go out on the water with you today, so I always enjoy when she gets to come out with me. So we're just riding the current down, and I'm just kind of fishing the banks as the current takes me down. See if we can get lucky here. Oh yeah, already. Come on, come on. What I got? 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 Big old trout. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice size trout. Whoo, yes. Nice size trout. First fish on the rod here. Oh my goodness, look at here. Look at here. I felt it biting. Oh man, this is a good one. Oh man, this is a good one. Come on. Chill out, my man. Chill out, my man. Where we at? We're about 16. Almost 16. A little short of 16. Let me see here. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Check it out. Nice trout. Little chompas. He's got a little tooth. Nice size trout. We're not keeping any today. We're letting them go. But yeah, nice size. All right, buddy. Thank you. Here we go. You got it. You got it. All right. Woo. Got one on the new rod and reel. Man, oh man. Yeah, I felt a couple of bites going right down the bank here, and I was wondering if I was catching on something, and or if it was you know, the bottom, or if it was actually something biting. yeah. That was a good one. Good size. First good size trout this year. Man, that fish came up right at the boat, chewing on that thing. Man, come on. Y'all know y'all hungry? It's okay. Right at the boat it was chewing on it. Doggone it. I scared it off though. I scared it off. It was a little one, but it was just chewing on it. Come on. Tell me it's on there still. Oh my gosh. It's trying. It was trying. Got something right there. I know I got something right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Come on. In the boat. In the boat. Oh my gosh. Whoo. Trout number 2. Let's see what we got here. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get you. You don't like that, do you? Got my stuff wrapped around the pedals here. Alright, let's see where you, how big you are, buddy. Alright. Here we go. About 13 and a half. 13 and a half. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright, buddy. Whoo! Alright. I'm back in that water. Alright. Little dink, but you know, still a good catch. Good to go. They're loving that Mirrolure. This is gold. It's a 5-inch provoker. 5-inch provoker. It's a gold and red glitter. That's it. So, all right. I'm gonna head back down here again. Nothing but trout, I'm telling you. We're just gonna go back down here again, and then we're just gonna drift back with the current again. See if we can pick up another one. Come on in the boat. Oh yeah, that's another one. All right guys, I got number 3 here. Let's see what we got. Get this hook out. Here we go. Okay. Let's see what we got. This guy. All right, buddy. Woo. Let him calm down a little bit. Calm down a little bit. Calm down. This guy, he's about 14 and a half. 14 and a half. We'll get him. Nice size ones. Got a pretty like a purplish shimmer on his head. Got a pretty color. All right, let him go. He was a little under 2. So far I've only gotten one over 15. All right, that's what I'm talking about. That's why I do it. All right, that's it. I'm gonna head back. I got to pick up my son from school today. Caught 3 trout. 2 were under, and then the one that was over, it was like close to 16. Really, like came close. It was like 15 1/4, really close to 16. So I enjoyed the day. You know, it was catch and release all day today. So heck, if I just caught one, I'd been happy. So 3, you know, more than I'm very grateful that I caught those 3. And I'm still working on that red. Trying to catch that red. But that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the day with me on the water for a couple hours. Caught some good, caught some nice trout. Like I said, what was I using? I was using just the Mirrolure. This is the first time I ever used these. It says for trout, redfish, snook, and flounder. So it says they're scented, but I can't smell anything on them. I don't know. But it's the 5-inch Provoker Gold and red glitter. You know, a lot of times I see people out here fishing, and sometimes they don't even show you what they're fishing with. And I think that helps a lot. You know, especially if you're fishing the same kind of areas, or you know, so you kind of know what the at least in this area, you know, kind of what the fish are biting. So all right, till next time.
GetOutTheHouseGoFish.